Have I told you guys how much I really enjoy sewing? Lately, I've been going through something, I guess, mood-like. I've always experienced mood changes since a little girl, and it's a lot more potent now that I'm an adult. So, sewing truly makes me happy. When I'm making this video, you guys, it's something inside of me that's just like floating in mid-air, and they're just on top of the world. I don't know what it is, but I'm just super excited when I sew. I love making clothes. I love being able to see that final look. If there's one thing in this world, if people ask me, what are you good at? I mean, I can say quite a few things. I can sing, and I only like to sing for Jesus Christ. I want to be a worshiper. So that, and I would say, oh yeah, I can write too. I'm a great writer. I can write. You can always check me out on vocal.media. My name's Serenity G on there. I have 2 stories out. I'm in the process of writing the next chapter, so definitely check me out. I linked it on my unboxing video of the Quilter Sullivan's table, and I have another video coming with my Singer Quantum 9960 machine that I wanted to talk to you guys about, but I want to do something a little bit different. So many people have unboxing videos about this machine, but I want to do something a little different. So, if they was to ask me, okay, what's something else you're good at? I would be like, well, sewing. I'm really good at sewing. I love to sew. When I sew, I am like my best self. I am myself, and I'm like super happy. Now, sometimes I do get a little frustrated, but that just means that the environment that I'm in is just not the best. It's not the cleanest. It's not the freshest. So when your environment is not the best, then you are not your best. But yeah, since my environment now in my sewing room is the best, I have a brand new quilter's table that I can work on and not strain my back. I have a brand new sewing machine that I can work on and make labels with so that I can actually start my business. And you know what? I have Jesus Christ, and that's my first thing, but I made it the last thing because it's the best thing. And now that I have such a stronger relationship with the Lord, I promise, like, sewing has just been everything. It's just been something I've always wanted to do. I always want to continue to do, and making YouTube videos for you guys, and it just makes me happy. So it would mean a lot if you can watch these videos and just like them and comment and subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because it lets me know that there are people out there who likes what I'm doing, and I'm not just doing this in vain. So I ask you guys to truly, like, if you're listening to this and you're watching this video, just give me a thumbs up or comment, but do both if you don't mind. Subscribe, please, as well. Just help me out, and I really would appreciate it. If you have a channel that you want me to subscribe to and want me to shout out to, I will, because I mean, on here my subscribers may not be big, but on other platforms, I promise, like, I know a lot of people, and unfortunately they haven't subscribed to me yet, but I will get that one day. So yeah, just know I know people. So if you need help spreading words for your business, I'll help you out. And you know, if you don't want to like or subscribe, that's okay. I'll still help you out. But I pray that you will help me, and we can do this together. So yeah, I'm not going to talk anymore. Enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to put, of course, my intro music on because I love that song. And you guys have a blessed day. God bless you.